Good morning, children. Now it's time for your mental math. It's time for your maths class, and today I will be doing division work. So now look at the first sum. 10 dash tens is equal to 100. So how many tens is equal to 100? 10 tens is equal to 100. Next, 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. The largest three-digit number is 999. The sum of the smallest one-digit number and the smallest four-digit number is, so what is the sum means? Plus. So smallest four-digit number is 1000 and the smallest four-digit number is 9999. That means if you the sum of the smallest one-digit number, extremely sorry, I have spelled out wrong sums. The sum of the smallest one-digit number and the smallest four-digit number is, the smallest one-digit number is 10. The sum of the smallest one-digit number and the smallest four-digit number is 1001. Next, write the numerals. Write in numerals. 3000 plus 400 plus 2 tens plus 1 will be how much? 3000 plus 400 plus 0 tens plus 1 will be 3421. 3421. 3421. Next, 5004. 5004. Write down 5004. 5004. Next, write the number name for the given numerals. 6020. First write down ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Then write down the number name will be 6020. 6020. Write down 6020. Next, 5631. Write down ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So the answer will be 5000. 600 5631. Once again repeat. 10 tens is equal to 100. 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. The largest three-digit number is 999. The sum of the smallest one-digit number and the smallest four-digit number is 1001. Write in numerals. 3400 plus 2 tens plus 1 will be 3421. 3421. Next, 5004. 5004. 5004. Next, write the number name for the given numerals. 6020. That is, the answer will be 6020. The answer will be 6020. Next, 5631. That is 5000 631. Now look at the next one. Write in expanded form. 2460. So again write down the units: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So 2460. So how will you expand it? 2000 plus 400 400 plus 60 plus 0. So this is the expand form. So 2460, the expand form will be 2000, 2 followed by 3 zeros plus 4 followed by 2 zeros plus 60 plus 0. This is the expand form. Next 7098. Write down the units: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. How will you expand this one? 7000 plus C. In hundreds place there is 0, so you don't have to do anything. Then next is in tens place it is 90, so plus 90 plus 8. So the expand form is 7000 plus 90 plus 8. Next, write the face value of the digit in bold. 7382. So what will be the face value of 7382? The 8 is the digit. Of that you have to write down the face value. The face value will be 8. Next, 2439. What is the place value of 4 in this particular number? 2439, it is 4. The face value is 4. Next, write the place value of the digit in bold. 5372. So what is the place value of 5 in this particular number? 5332. It is standing ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So what is the place value of 5 over here? It is 1000. So write down 5000 or 5000. Next, 3296. What is the place value of 6 in this particular number? It is, write down ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So it is over here, it is ones. So 6 ones. 6, that's all 6. Or oblique 6 ones. The place value of dash is always 0 irrespective of its place. So what will be the place value of dash is always 0 irrespective of its place. So the place value of 0, I said you earlier, the place value of 0 is always 0 irrespective of its place. Next, the number that comes just after a number. The number that comes just after a number, it is called its successor. The number that comes just after a number, it is called successor. So write down the spelling, write down successor over here. Successor. Again I am repeating this one. Write in expanded form. 2462. 2 followed by 3 zeros plus 4 followed by 2 zeros plus 60 plus 1. Next, 7098. The answer is 7000 plus 90 plus 8. 7 followed by 3 zeros plus 90 plus 8. Next, write the face value of the digit in bold. 7382. So what is the face value of 8 here? Face value will always be the digit itself, 8. Next, what is the face value of 2439 in 4? It will be 4. Write the place value of the digit in bold. 5372. So place value of 5 in this particular number will be 5000. 5000. Next, 3296. What is the place value of 6 over here? It is 6 ones or 6. Next, the place value of 0, the place value of dash is always 0 irrespective of its place. So the place value of 0 is always 0 irrespective of its place. The number that comes just after a successor is called its number that comes just after a number. The number that comes just after a number is called its successor. Now next, the successor of the greatest 4-digit number is 10,000. That is 10,000. The successor of the greatest 4-digit number is. Next, the predecessor of the smallest 4-digit number is 999. 999. Arrange in ascending order. 3000 ascending order means from smallest to biggest. So 3456 plus next is 3654, 3564 and 3546. So what will be the smallest number? 3000. Which one is the 3456 is the smallest. For 3000, yes, 3456. Next is 3546. Next is 3564. Next is 3654. Next, arrange ascending order. Descending order. Descending order means from greatest to smallest. So what will be the greatest number over here? It is 8698. Then comes 3614. Next is 3457. Next is 999. Next, a score plus a dozen plus a century. So how many? Score is 20, dozen is 12 and century is 100. So if we add this two, score 20 plus 12, 32, 32 plus 100. So how much it will be? It will be 132. Next, 2763 plus 1000. 1000, that means you have to change the digit at the 1000 place. So 2 plus 1 will be 3. So the answer will be 3763. Next, a century and a half century. Century means 100 and half century is 50. So 100 plus 50 will be 150. Next, dash plus 1 is equal to 790. So any number if you get like this, the number if you have got the answer, if the answer is showing plus 1, that means you have to subtract to get, because you have to subtract from the given number, that is 790 minus 1, it's plus 1. So if you add any number that is great plus 1, that is if you add 791 over here, it will be of course the answer 792. So you have to do the lesser one number, that is the predecessor number. 790, what is the predecessor of 790? It is 789. So 789 plus 1 will be 790. So I have finished this work. Go through all the sums. Thank you.